Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another really cool marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and your revenue. On today, I'll be sharing with you something that pretty much a case study where I started a YouTube channel about a month ago and started doing YouTube shorts videos. And this is definitely, it really has increased my YouTube views and my subscribers. Okay. So I'm going to share with you the simple steps that I took. And so basically, um, just to let you know what YouTube shorts are, uh, the checklist, best practices, and some recommended resources. Okay. So basically, you see right here on this image 1,000 views milestone. That was on February the 28th. And I got this message of your channel got 1,120 views in the last 28 days. Okay, you heard that correct. All right. And so let me show you what happened here. Okay. So what I was invited to a webinar by YouTube. They sent out to creators, and that was in somewhere last year, last few months. I can't say for sure, but anyway, I went to the webinar and it was on YouTube Shorts. Okay, YouTube saw that a lot of people were migrating to TikTok with the short videos, and so they came up with this concept here. Okay, and so basically, all YouTube Shorts is just a new short form video experience for creators and artists who want to shoot short, catchy videos using nothing but their mobile phone. Okay, and so basically, they're saying like every month, 2 billion viewers come to YouTube to laugh, learn, and connect. And of course, you can build a business around this concept, right? And so let's look at what you would need to do to make this happen. All right. So, of course, you need to have a YouTube channel. All right. So, if you don't have one, now is the time because video is here to stay. Okay. And if you notice when you go do a search on Google now, you will see about 4 different videos lined up for you to take a look at, okay, based on what your search criteria is. All right, so first thing, get your YouTube channel. Want you to write down a start date for this YouTube channel so you can see your progress, okay? Or if you already have a channel, write down the numbers of subscribers that you have before you start using this concept, all right? And then after 30 days, write down the number of subscribers that you were able to acquire, all right? And then, of course, you want to make sure that with your shorts video title, it is going to be one that is catchy, that people will want to look at and listen to, okay? That's going to attract the attention. All right. And then, of course, you'll need a description, just like with any other video that you upload to YouTube. And of course, you would use your keywords the same way you would do that. And then you can create a playlist to actually have your shorts on. And they have that as a specifically, dedicated to shorts videos. Okay. And of course, you put your location and, of course, the link to your opt-in page that you want people to send people to once they click on your link from your short video. Okay. And so always we talked about opt-in pages where you collect names and email addresses. Okay. That's something I've been talking about for a while now, so you all are familiar with that concept. All right. And so here's some best practices. And the main thing is, I had someone to reach out to me and say, hey, somebody told me, the video should be 2 minutes. Okay. In this checklist, best practices. Okay. I'm talking about what I know, not what somebody told me. I think I heard. Okay. I went to the actual YouTube meeting webinar that they had specifically to talk about this concept. Okay. And so what I'm sharing with you in here with the best practices is what you would definitely want to implement. Okay, that's how I was able to get the success. All right. And then here I put a link in here to TubeBuddy, because with TubeBuddy, you're able to get the image that I showed you, where it shows you your successes. You know, once you get 100 subscribers, once you get, 1,000 subscribers or views, or it also show you analytics to give you the keywords, show you the different keywords that you're using, whether they're good, ones to use, or others. They may suggest ones that you may want to use that will get you more, viewers. Okay. And of course, I have some other concepts in here that you could take a look at if you pretty much not sure how to set up your YouTube channel. There's a link for that in here. And so anyway, I'm Terry B. Jones, coming to you live again on this day with another marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and your